fellow lockpickers, and today in the vise we have a Ford Tibbe lock. Now this is what you would tend to find on the older style Ford cars, some of the older Jaguars. This was a cheapy replacement lock that I got off Fleabay. This is how the other one came. So as you can see, I'm trying to get it up here. It still works, but yeah, damage. This one I tried to take the tailpiece off so it would fit in the vise, and that then buggered up the spring. So yeah, there's no spring tension on it, but as you can see it turns to the left and a little bit to the right. So we know that if it turns right, that would be locking the car, and turning left would be opening it. And so as you can see, it is fully locked up, and we're going to be using this Tibbe decoder. So we slide her in. I'm going to try and do it so you can see what I'm up to, and then we're going to slowly turn everything towards the opening position. So anything that's in this position is going to be our tensioning. Anything that goes further is going to be for picking. So let's see if we can't. So try and do it so you can see what I'm up to. I should imagine on a decent lock this might be a bit easier rather than the cheapy ones. You don't want to force these because they're very delicate and can break rather easily. There we go. With which you can see, I'm just literally turning the lock. So if I turn it round, you can just see we've got the open, and you can see the wafers just inside there. But yeah, this tool does it all for you, which is kind of scary really. But yeah, a good tool to have for the tradesman. And from that tool you can then make up your own key out of the tiny bits they supply, and then you can slide it on, and then you're creating a working key. It won't start the car if you've got an immobiliser, but yeah, at least you can get a key cut from that as a blank. So anyway, hope this has been interesting. We'll see you again soon. Bye.